Hello friends, today I will show you how to HTML website live on live domain. Upload on live website with Cpanel. So let's start. This is the Cpanel interface. This is the our main domain, and this is the website images. I will download from here free HTML template. So first of all, I click this HTML template. Then checkout, because previously I added on cart this template. Then click on the checkout. Okay, you just need to the email, first name, solution, agree, and free download. So download complete. Now I need to the just click here. HTML template download done. Now need to go to the file manager. And go to the public HTML. This is the existing files. We will not change anything. We will just upload here. Click the upload. Then drag and select. I just drag from here. After uploading complete, then we will move the previous step. Uploading done. Now I will just reload here. Uploading complete. Now need to the extract. Click extract. Extract file, yes. Alright. So no need the documents. If you want to see the documents, then you can open. So no need this file. You can delete. Click here. Now we can move the root domain. If you don't want to see the root domain, then you can just no. Then you can see the HTML template. Alright. So this is HTML already live. If you want to move the root domain, then you can just click the move and select, then it will be moved to move the files. And if you want to download any more free HTML template, then you can choose this website. They are in free and premium lot of HTML and WordPress theme. So thank you for the watching. Bye bye.